While this battle against COVID-19 is far from over, I remain encouraged by the data and the feedback from public health officials. As you know, testing remains a top priority as we take measured steps forward. In addition to rapidly increasing testing capacity, we have also seen a steady decline in the percentage of patients testing positive for COVID-19. This is a key data point and a real testament to the hardworking Georgians everywhere who are following the guidance, wearing masks, and practicing social distancing. While inconvenient at times, these proactive measures are truly paying off. I'm proud of what we accomplished over the last several weeks, but we cannot rest on our laurels. We need to further expand access to testing, and we need to encourage Georgians to make it a priority.